Hey everyone, and welcome to another TriTel Tech Tip. Today, I'm going to talk about some very handy Windows shortcuts for snapping windows. You may already know that you can click the top of the window and drag it to the left, right, top of your screen to organize your screens. But there is a quicker way to do it. Press the Windows key and the directional arrow where you want the window to snap to. Of course, left goes left, right goes right, up goes full screen, down goes minimize. Once you've released the Windows key, you'll be prompted to fill the remaining space with another window.
So I use this all the time when I'm comparing data side by side. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ready to simplify your IT? Book your no-obligation consultation now at www.tritel.com.